What's going on, guys? I get a lot of questions about what's going on with the shop, so I thought I'd give you guys a quick little update and a little tour. Not a whole lot has gone on with the shop. One of the things I had done was I primered the ceiling here. As you can see, I did a little bit of primering of the ceiling. Other than that, only thing I've really been doing is just kind of hanging up banners. I got some of my logos and stuff like that. Some of my camera gear is mounted up in here. I'm doing some Milwaukee tool videos and stuff. The bathroom here, I still haven't made a decision on. Right now, it's just being used as storage. I did organize some of my toolbox stuff over here in this corner here. I got a lot going on right now. Over here, I got some new Milwaukee tool stuff. Some new, what do they call these? The air tip system here. These are all for their vacuum system. And then here's an extra set of wrenches that I had. So I hung them up for decorations. So this is a garage / video studio. So that's kind of what's going on the inside here. I've got a lot of things going on because I'm currently working. I'm in the middle of a project. And the reason why I haven't done a lot to the shop is because outside here, I'll see if I can flip this around. Outside here, we got the remodel going on in the background here. And we're doing an addition plus remodeling bathrooms and stuff. So this is the addition portion of it. We're adding 2 rooms here. This is gonna be an office, and this is gonna be like a little studio apartment for some family members and stuff. And then here is the master bathroom, and it's being remodeled completely. Ceilings out, floors are out. It's just a temporary floor in here. Redoing the whole thing. Here's a stockpile of some of the parts and materials that we got going on here. Here's insulation and drywall. I also have about 20 projects going on the outside of the property. I got landscaping going on. I got cutting trees down. Had to fix some fencing. Things are crazy right now. We got boxes everywhere. This is toilets and bathtubs and stuff that going into the bathrooms. Over here is a AC heaters split unit here for the new addition. Some cabinetry just going in, and then a bunch of stovetop ranges, all kinds of stuff here. This is a spare refrigerator. We're actually going to get rid of this cabinet top inside this big box here. So as you can see, I got a ton of things going on here at the house. The shop has been backburner just a little bit, but we will be getting back to it very soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm also excited to show you some of the projects I got going on. So right here is a future video that I am currently working on here. This is the new carry-on. What it is a zero emissions generator that you can run indoors. I'm pretty excited to do a review on this right here and get it out of the box and start using it. It requires 4 batteries to run it, and I got them all charged up here. I got one of them being used on my saw over there. So I got some Milwaukee tool stuff coming out. Some more Milwaukee tool stuff coming out is the vacuum air tips here. So they have a ton of different, these are just, in this case, I won't spoil it, but in this case is a ton of different accessories for your shop vacs right here. So we're gonna be checking that out soon. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and turn that bell notification on so you can get those shop updates and all the other things going along with How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe.